Yo, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the video. It's your boy Mart, and today, man, we here at a car meet, and we got the beast. We got the pursuit. You feel me? And we got a few of the homies out here. Oh shit! But yeah. Anyways, if y'all like this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Say what's good to the vlog.
What's good, y'all? Man, how you feeling, man? You gonna flip that ball from me? Hold on. Bring that bitch back. Eddie G. Miller, you heard me, man. Make sure y'all like, follow, comment, subscribe to my boy Mar, man.
Oh, what?
We on my nigga. Y'all know exotic outside, man. I just have to pop out, you know what I'm saying? Try to get into the car life, you know?
Oh, what?
Too crazy. Of course.
Y'all wanna say what's up to the vlog?
Hell no.
Hell no.
Alright, yo.
But yeah, we got the pursuit out here, you feel me? Not too crazy, not too wild. Lot to be done to it. But hey, anything that y'all want done to it, let me know in the comments and I'll go do that, you feel me? We'll go do that. So let me know. Hold on. Let's see it, cuz.
All myself, man.
Oh, what? Oh! Yeah.
We got the little button, switch the mode. Green, blue.
Never.
Ooh. Come on, do it again.
Oh, you can never have your moment, man. Oh, the cops was just right there, buddy. Oh, nah. I had to put the camera down a little bit. I don't got much juice left, so I'm gonna charge it up. On what? Hey! I bet. Let's go. I go. I bet. Alright, so Wild just had the camera down, y'all. Literally, the cop radars us twice. My homie lets me know again. And he gets behind us this time, brody. But luckily, my homie got me out of that one. I ain't gonna lie. W Keyshawn. I need y'all to type in the comments right now. If y'all still watching, W Keyshawn, okay? Oh, brody. It's my first car meet, and hey, I'm learning, bro. W Keyshawn, that's all I gotta say. Hey, I'm finna go ahead and throw some gas too real quick. Hold up, fit check by the way. Give y'all a little fit check. You know what I'm saying? Real ones. White shirt, not too crazy. Little slight. Just throw in a quick little 25. Yeah, give my receipt, buddy.
It's coming soon, though.
You finna get a tally?
Red thing. Already got some rims on that bitch, too.
We out here, guys.
He don't even, bro. Why y'all even like them rims no more? I thought y'all said races or what?
You must be feeling that John all the way up, cuz.
Just wait on me, bro. Just wait on me.
Hey, I'm already knowing, cuz. I'm already knowing.
I'm changing the color of that bitch, bro.
Hey, I'm not even gonna lie to you. You do your thing with this, bro. You do your thing. This is hard. You do that pull? Alright, y'all. So we was just on the way to the next spot, and this nigga Keem did this. What the fuck, cut? He tried to turn around right here in this little ass spot, cut.
Bro, when I stopped, bro, that bitch went in neutral, bro, and it fucked me up, bro.
Hey, you know what you should do? We might try to, like, a few of us try to push that bitch from the front while you backing it up.
Damn, bro.
Oh, bro, we gonna have to. Hey, where did other dude go?
Damn, bro. I look dumb as hell.
Dumb as
This
fuck.
look crazy, bro. Oh, yeah, everybody, push.
All right, come on.
That shit feels good. Dude, who the fuck is that over there?
Just push that big bitch all the way back, bro. On what?
Hope he ain't getting it.
Nah, he ain't damaging. Nah. He ain't damaging. He cool.
Yeah.
Oh, what though?
It wasn't even like, it's not even that deep, like, bro. I thought it was flat. I ain't gonna lie. That shit was scraping my body.
You just can't see that shit, huh?
Like, when I was going, like, I'm like, damn, I thought I did a wide enough turn. And I'm trying to put that bitch back. That motherfucking neutral just still rolling. I'm like, hold on, no. Yo, I see this.
These niggas said he want that redemption.
No, that's not too crazy. Yeah, we didn't know who won. This shit taking.
Alright, you guys, that is the end of the video. If you guys like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share the video for your boy. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.